Why August 15? Have you ever wondered why India got independence on exactly August 15? Was it a history or a secret reason? Actually, British had planned to hand over the power in June 1948, but after the World War II, India was boiling with unrest. The Quit India movement, massive protests, and communal tensions were making British rule nearly impossible. Then Mountbatten came, the last viceroy of India. He decided to advance the date by almost a year. But why August 15? Later, he revealed that it was a special day to him. It was the second anniversary of Japan's surrender in World War II. He played a big role in this victory. That's why he fixed August 15. But India and Pakistan got independence at the same time. But why August 14 for Pakistan and August 15 for India? Then only he can attend both the celebration ceremonies in Pakistan as well as India. That's why he fixed August 14 for Pakistan and August 15 for India.